Hi everyone! In today's craft tutorial, we're making a super cute pineapple gift card holder, perfect for birthdays, summer parties, or just a sweet surprise. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project. A cutting machine like a Cricut or Scanncut or Silhouette. The pineapple gift card SVG file. Yellow and green cardstock. For the top color, be creative. Glue or double-sided tape. Step 1. Prepare the SVG file. First, download the SVG file and open it in your cutting machine software. Make sure to adjust the size to fit a standard gift card, about 3.375 by 2.125 inches. Step 2. Cut the cardstock. Load your colored cardstock into your machine and cut all the pieces following the design. Yellow for the pineapple, green for the leaves, and brown for the detail. It's going to look amazing. Step 3. Assemble the pineapple. Now the fun part, assembly. Start by gluing the bottom front piece onto the silhouette shape. Next, take the top front piece and glue that as well. Once it's all dry, simply slide the top part into the bottom pocket. Now it's time to finish the front. Feel free to get creative, add a fun message, a name, or decorate it however you like to make it extra special. How fun was that? If you love this tropical DIY, you can find a complete pineapple craft series on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. See you next time, and happy crafting!